Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to move a Facebook page from one profile to another. It's more like transferring a page ownership from one Facebook account to another account so that they can use it to do whatever they want to do. So the secret in this is that after transferring full control to another profile, you have to remove yourself if you want them to really have the full control instantly. If not, they have to wait for about 7 days before they can, have the actual full control. It's a way Facebook tried to manage the tendency of an account or an asset being hacked. All right, so let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget, visit the description section. We always provide exclusive materials that are related to helping you succeed on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share for more exclusive contents like this. Let's jump right straight in. So these are two different Facebook accounts. One has created the Facebook page with the account, while the other person has a business portfolio that wants to claim full control over the page. So it's more like you're transferring ownership from one Facebook account to another business portfolio owned by another Facebook account. All right. So once you're here, you switch into the page, you want to make the transfer. All right. So this is Great Media. So, and most times you do this because when you're having issues creating a Facebook page. So these are some of the methods you could take advantage of. So you click on the logo at the top right, then you click on settings and privacy, then settings. Okay, if this happens, just simply reload. Okay, then scroll down. Then we'll scroll down, click on page setup. Then we'll click on page assets. So we're going to add an individual for this one. So click on add new, then click on next. Then you search for the person. So I can just search for. Okay, so this is the person. So you give full control. Then you click on give access. Then you put password. Then you confirm. Okay, so an invitation has been sent. So yeah, that's what we're doing actually. Inviting them to manage the page. So once the person accepts the invitation, you can now remove yourself. That is one of the fastest way for the person to immediately transfer this page into the business portfolio. If not, if you're still there, it might take over 7 days before they'll be able to move the page into the business portfolio. So to make everything happen as soon as possible, you go through this method I'm teaching. Okay. So you simply go to the Facebook users notification. That is where you're going to see the invite and click on it. Or the easiest way to go about this is to send the person the Facebook page profile link. Okay, so let's say this is the Facebook profile link of this Great Media. So we click on Great Media. So this is the profile link. So you click on it, you copy, then you send it to the user. The user is going to now paste it on their browser. All right, so now we're going to go to the person's account that we've invited. So you click on notification. Okay, so you can see the invite here. So you can see the invite here. So you click on it. Now, in some cases, just in case if you don't find this invite, you're going to copy that link that we shared, copy that link, the link of the page, and paste it on the new browser. Okay. So let's switch into the Great Media page. And you paste, so it's still the same thing. Then you'll be able to accept the invitation. So you click on review. You can see review here and also from the one that came from the notification. So you click on review invite, then scroll down and accept. Okay, so this is how to transfer ownership from one Facebook account to another Facebook account. So just click on not now. We're not switching into it. So now, in order for this person to have full ownership, because if you try to claim this Facebook page under a business portfolio managed by this person, it might not work because the person's just joined. So it might take at least 7 days before they can now transfer this page into a business portfolio. But if you want it to happen instantly, you go to the person that invited you to join the page, okay? Then make sure you must have switched into the page you just sent access to. So you go to settings and privacy, click on settings, then we go to page access. Okay, but first of all, we scroll down, click on page setup, then page access. Now you remove yourself. Okay, so you click on these 3 dots. Okay, because the person will not be able to remove it because they just joined. Okay, so only you who invited the second admin or the person with full control to join can remove yourself and also the person again if you want. So if you want to remove, so you click on these 3 dots and click on remove access. So you're removing yourself in this case. They will ask for your password. So you input your password. And that is basically all. Then you click on confirm. And before you know, you've lost access to this page. So because you've done this, that person will now be able to control the page as the sole admin or sole person with full control over the Facebook page. All right. So now we can now go back and go to business and claim this page under business portfolio. So then I believe you know how to find yourself here. So we've made a lot of videos regarding stuff like this. Okay, so we click on pages. So you find it, so you make your way to this point, click on pages, then click on add, then click on add an existing Facebook page. So this first one is to claim, this one is to request access, this one is to create a new page. So select this one, then you type the name of the page. We'll be able to transfer that page into this business portfolio. Okay. So it's very easy. Then add page. So it's happening automatically because currently this account is the only admin of the Facebook page. So this is how to switch a Facebook page access from one admin, from one Facebook account to another, and also claim it under a business portfolio. So you could also assign access, give access to as many persons as you want, or just yourself. Then scroll down, give yourself everything access. You could turn on leads also, then that's it. So you could just redo this just to confirm. All right, so that is all in this video. Don't forget to visit the description section. We've covered a lot of videos that talks about how to manage Facebook page assets, particularly for agencies or when you want to work with agencies. So make sure you visit the description section. We have lots of resources to share with you. And don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you guys in our next video, and bye for now. So this one is going to be a bonus for anybody who likes a bonus. So we are going to add another page. Let's transfer this page. This one, we're transferring it from another business portfolio the person owns. So this business portfolio is still under the same user. So it's going to happen fast. So we're just moving it to this particular business portfolio. Okay. All right, guys. So see you guys in the next video. And bye for now. Cheers.